Hi, my name is Madeline No, and today I'll be presenting on Hurricane Matthew in Florida. How Florida was spared severe damage due to a change in Hurricane Matthew's formation. Let's talk about Hurricane Matthew. Hurricane Matthew was a Category 5 hurricane that affected the southeastern United States, the Caribbean, and parts of Canada in October 2016. It was the first Category 5 Atlantic hurricane since Hurricane Felix in 2007. Hurricane Matthew originated as a tropical wave off the coast of Africa and then intensified as it moved towards the Caribbean to a Category 5. Having already hit Cuba and Haiti with the full force of a Category 4 hurricane, Hurricane Matthew was tracked straight for Florida. Hurricane Matthew was projected to hit southeast Florida with extreme weather conditions due to the projected path of the eye wall. As Hurricane Matthew approached the Florida coast, the center made a slight wobble east of the projected path. This wobble kept the eye wall to the east of Florida. The wobble allowed Florida to miss the large impact of the eye wall winds, which are the most dangerous in a hurricane. As you can see in the picture, the original forecasted path, the one on the left, would have made landfall, but the one on the right, the actual position, stayed out at sea. The wobble was most likely due to an eye wall replacement cycle that occurs in strong tropical cyclones. In this phenomenon, the old eye wall decays while a new, larger one forms in its place. This tropical cyclone formation pattern connects back to Lab 7 when we learned about the factors for hurricane formation and its structural features. Although Florida missed the brunt of Hurricane Matthew's eye wall wind effects, Hurricane Matthew still made an impact on Florida. Hurricane Matthew caused major storm surge flooding. Widespread downed trees, power outages, and extreme wind damage were seen throughout Florida. A peak surge of 9.88 feet above normal was measured, and the wind speed that hit Florida measured up to 107 miles per hour, causing some structural damage throughout. Jacksonville, Orlando, and St. Augustine suffered severe wind damage and flooding. Even my parents were asked to evacuate Jacksonville to go to Gainesville. If the eye wall had stayed on course and hit the Florida coast with its strong Category 3 or 4 winds, there would have been even more structural damage. Fred Johnson, a meteorologist for National Weather Service, said if the eye wall was on target, the area would have felt a huge impact. The damage would have been comparable to the damage done in Haiti, which was severe. In these comparison photos, you can really see how this tropical cyclone phenomenon changed the hurricane's impact on Florida. Haiti has severe damage and flooding, while Northeast Florida, at its worst, has flooding, but it's not anything comparable to Haiti's damage. This event really hits home since we all went through it just a few months ago. I hope this presentation shows a real-world application of hurricane formation factors and how they can affect us.